I'm living a dream I never want to wake up from. When you lose a person you love so much, surviving the loss is difficult. I still learn, but I think it's the best thing in life to have a kid. I think sometimes the best training is to rest. We cannot live being obsessed with what other people think about us. It's impossible to live like that. Not even God managed to please the entire world. If we can't help our family, who are going to help? We don't want to tell our dreams. We want to show them. We should make the most of life, enjoy it because that's the way it is. I don't like being alone. Why lie? I'm not going to be a hypocrite and say the opposite of what I think, like some others do.